Well, a political battle in North Carolina could affect elections all over the United States.
U.S. Supreme Court will hear arguments Wednesday in a case that started here but could have far-reaching impacts. Capitol reporter Michael Hyland joins us with a closer look at what this is all about. Michael.
Yeah, this ties into this year's election and the battle over the state's congressional districts and how the Republicans in the General Assembly drew them. Ultimately, it's a case about power and who gets to wield it. From the state capital of Raleigh to the nation's capital, a group of advocates boarded a bus Tuesday to witness arguments in a historic case before the U.S. Supreme Court. It's called Moore v. Harper and gets its name from Republican State House Speaker Tim Moore and this woman, Becky Harper.
I'm not an attorney. I'm just a voter who's very concerned.
Harper works in real estate and is on the board of Common Cause North Carolina. The group sued Republicans in the legislature over how they drew the state's legislative districts.
This case is so important because I care about fair elections. And really, I'm fundamentally concerned about polarization and extremism.
Democrats on the state Supreme Court found the Republicans illegally drew North Carolina's 14 congressional districts to try to make it easier for Republicans to win seats. The court ultimately adopted its own map of those districts. There ended up being a 7-7 split between the two parties in the election. Republicans say the court went too far and took the case to the U.S. Supreme Court. They're arguing what's known as the independent state legislature theory, saying state legislatures have the sole authority to regulate federal elections in their states. Jeanette Doran is with the North Carolina Institute for Constitutional Law.
Everyone needs to know their limits, including Supreme Court justices.
Critics of the theory say the case could have implications for voting rights and legislatures accepting election results.
It's not going to become a free-for-all and legislators will get to do whatever they want. We'll still have U.S. and state constitutional restrictions.
The Supreme Court will hear arguments tomorrow morning, but it could be several months before we get a decision. Live in Raleigh, Michael Hyland, CBS 17 News.
All right, keep us updated, Michael. Thank you.